Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Rogers, and today we're introducing you to a 67-year-old gentleman who underwent hair surgery with us. First in 2018, he received over 1,500 grafts via FUT, and then a second procedure he had just about a year ago, receiving 1,300 grafts. First, we wanted to show you his before photos so you can see he had just a little bit of a recession to his hairline and he was starting to thin a little bit over the mid scalp. So we're going to do a comb through. So you can see he's got a very nice, soft, natural looking hairline. We've added a lot of density throughout this central area. We did the FUT harvesting, so he does have kind of a little bit of a linear scar, but we did some scalp micropigmentation, and that has helped basically kind of soften the appearance of that. So you don't see that white scar quite as much. So we always enjoy taking good care of our patients here at Hair Restoration of the South. Anything we can do to help make your hair loss journey a little easier, we'd love to do it. Thanks.